Hello! Today we are going to be trying replacing earbuds on those absolutely beautiful wireless Bluetooth Bose headphones. Currently, if we take a look at our pads, they are looking absolutely horrible. That part rip out, and as you can see, we've got those like falling elements that are going into your head and onto your ear, so definitely it needs to be replaced. And hopefully on the AliExpress I managed to find a replacement part, and this tutorial should be exactly the same for many different models that are listed here. So let's take a look. First we are going to be opening our packaging and let's see what we've got inside. As you can see, we've got our internal mesh elements. And that screen goes here, it's going to be glue back, and we've got the adhesive here. And here is our ear pads. As you can see, it's presenting really nicely. The foam is very good, and we are going to be clipping it around that edge. So I think we are going to be getting a good success. Let's see at the tutorial that is included. So as you can see, the tutorial is pretty straightforward. On the Marshall Major, it was extremely easy. Here we first need to unclip them, so I will pull them like this. And we are removing it. So yeah, that was a total garbage. And here you can see where the clips go. And here we've got our tiny clips. Can you see that? And you basically sliding it under that element. So yeah, it is going to be pretty straightforward. Let's begin with removing this one. So we just go like this. And I will have to remove the adhesive and maybe brush it off because I can see some dirt. First, let's try brushing off. So we go like this. Very important not to pierce our membrane. So I will avoid it. And I think right now it's looking much better. We have to remove the old adhesive. For removing adhesive, I will be using this cotton pad soaked in isopropyl alcohol. And as you can see, it is nicely dissolving our glue. Just take a look. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this is exactly what you would like to see. By process of elimination, here we can see that we've got our left, so that one is our right. And here it is. As you can see here, we've got more material, and that part is bigger, so we are going to be gluing it like this. Let's remove our adhesive, our protective tape. And let's orient it nicely. So it will go like this. And let's nicely press it. Absolutely beautiful. Just take a look. That's presenting perfect. I'm looking at those two guys and they are looking identical. So I don't think there is a difference between left and right. So let's try to put it. And here, as you can see, we've got a clip and those clips are around. And here we've got that rim. It is not made out of plastic. It is made out of some bending material. So first we are going to be squeezing it like this and attaching our first one here. So we go like this. And then the bottom one. And those two guys are clipped. And now I will bend it like this. and put them around. No stress. Nothing bad is happening. I will nicely bend it and make it clipped. Okay. Is it done? No, I don't think. Now it's clipped correctly. Can you see it? Absolutely beautiful. We did manage to create a good job. Let's do the same here. The old one. We just go like this. We're removing that. Let's clean up the adhesive. But first, let's give it a brush. Looks very good. And in my personal opinion, it's presenting great. We've got a good place to glue our new one. So here is the old one. Here is the old one. Here is our brand new. Let's remove the protective film. That part is larger. It goes into that larger part. In my personal opinion, looks great. Now let's try to clip our left one, and we've got exactly the same setup. This needs to be clipped here. And we can nicely bend it. And question is, did we manage to make a great job? Looks like we are basically done. And they are looking great. Let me put them on for 1 second. So yes, I can confirm that they are fitting nicely and we did a great job. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.